Hi everyone, and welcome back from the short break we had over the Christmas holidays. I hope you actually managed to get a bit of a break. It's been a bit chaotic here. We aren't in lockdown, but COVID's kind of rampant, so we've been staying in a lot, which is kind of nice because it's kind of nice just to be chill at the end of the year. But it's also given me lots of time to work on all of our plans for 2022 and what we're going to be doing here on YouTube. So my whole plan for 2022 is to take the scary out of sewing because I want more people to enjoy it and love it and take it up as a hobby and just enjoy making things. So that means we're going to do a couple of things. I'm still going to be doing in-person classes at Bobbin and Ink. So if you're here in Sydney, in Australia, definitely go to Bobbin and Ink and check those out. And there's going to be heaps more coming throughout the year, including some new ones, which we've been working on, which I'm very excited about. But then here on YouTube, on Wednesdays, and it may not be every Wednesday, but as often as I can, every Wednesday there's going to be a quick video that's like a hint or a tip or how to set things up. So it's going to go from absolute beginners, like how to thread your machine, all the way through to more complex things. So it's going to be the whole range. So that's going to be on Wednesdays. Then on Thursdays, it's going to be kind of like today where I might do a live stream or I might chat to you. It's definitely where I'm going to be sharing all of my lingerie unboxings and all of my own makes, plus some other stuff I've got lined up, and any sew-alongs for my garment patterns off my website as well. So that'll be on Thursdays. And then every Friday, which has been a massive task to do, every Friday morning there's going to be a brand new beginners project every week. I think I've said every quite enough then, so you get it, it's every week. So it means for the whole year there's going to be a video, there's going to be a pattern available to purchase, and that's going to be on the website. The patterns are only $5, but if you join the Patreon you can actually join, and for the whole month it's only $15, but you get every pattern for the month, which means that will save you between $5 and I think $15, because some months have like have at least 5 Fridays. So there's some savings there if you want to come join in on Patreon. But it means that there's a new project every week, and I'm going to step them through and talk them through as if you are a complete beginner. But sometimes there'll be things like, hey, if you want to know how to do about gathering, maybe check out the Wednesday one. So they're all kind of a little bit interconnected, and there's lots of focus on beginners to start with as I kind of make sure I can keep up with the workload, because while I know all about the sewing, the editing and the videoing I'm learning. I'm still getting my way through that. So yeah, lots of fun things. I'm going to put some links down below. So I'm going to link to my website so you can see patterns. I'm going to link to my Instagram so you can keep up with what I'm up to. And I'm going to put a link down to Patreon. So if you could subscribe there or help us out there in any way, that'd be awesome for your support. But if you could subscribe here on YouTube and tell all of your friends, that would be a massive help, and it costs nothing. So that would be awesome if you could do that. So yeah, obviously I've talked really quickly because I'm super excited about this year. So yeah, no matter what else is happening out there in the world, I'm hoping that this little tiny corner of the world will be all about the sewing and making it less scary so that you can learn lots this year. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to it and hope to see you all there.